A young male has already been swimming for days, without food or sleep. At 3 years old, this is his first summer without the guidance of his mother. But he's caught the sight and scent of something tantalizing. Thick-billed Moors, taking advantage of a seasonal bounty of herring. They're nesting high up on nearby cliffs. But getting to them will take skill and courage. Despite his enormous size, he's agile enough to scale the near vertical rock face over 200 meters up. It's incredibly dangerous, but hunger drives him onwards and upwards. The narrow ledges offer just enough room for an egg, but he's surprisingly nimble, picking his way down to where the Moors are nesting. Many of the adults flee his attacks, but there's no escape for new chicks who can't yet fly. It's taken the edge off his hunger, but he needs to find a source of fat.